one more thing, that how did you know that I'm going to wear black and again you are wearing the same?
Okay, last time also we were wearing the same kind of clothes. I mean the same color, right? Orange, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Mine was yellow and
Yes.
your was orange. Okay.
Okay. So in that
Black is
video,
my
it looks
favorite too.
similar. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So tell me, how are you doing today? Second time we are meeting.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing pretty fine.
Okay.
How
How
about
was
you?
your day? Amazing. Thank you so much for asking. I'm doing amazing. Yes.
Day has been quite okay.
Uh-huh. Okay. Describe it. Describe your whole day. What did you do from morning to evening?
For sure, ma'am. So as usual, I woke up at 8 o'clock in the morning, and when I woke up, I needed to drink some water. I drank 2 glasses of water, and this is what I usually do when I wake up. So after this, I went to my courtyard. I spent 10 to 15 minutes there. After this, I freshened up. I took a bath. I got ready to go to the institute. I give English classes. I went there and I taught some grammar to my students with all my heart, and it was amazing to be with them. And I spent almost 2 to 3 hours there, and when I was there, I really did not know how time passed by. That like time passed by very quickly. So despite this, I got back home. After that, I had brunch. I usually skip breakfast or lunch. Then I usually have my brunch. After having brunch, I took some rest. I watched television for some time. And one of my favorite things to do in the afternoon is I usually have the forte wings. So I had the forte wings for almost 1 hour. And after this, I woke up, I did some exercise. Again, I got ready to go to institute. Then I came home and I was exhilarated for this conversation. So these are the things I did, man.
Amazing. Very well you
Yes,
described. And I think teaching is the best part of your day, right? That's the activity which you
yes,
enjoy the
ma'am.
most.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And what are your plans for tomorrow? Do you have any special plans for tomorrow?
Ma'am, yes, like every 15th of August, I enjoy it with so much gusto. So this time I have not planned so much because most of my friends are pretty busy with their lives. So earlier we were pretty free, we were quite free. So we used to gather together on our terrace, or I used to go to my friend's terrace. There we used to play music, we used to have some delicacies, we used to fly kites. But this time I think plans are a bit different, and I might fly kites. I would certainly go to my terrace, or I would enjoy the weather, or I would see other people to be happy. And I'll be happy if other people are happy, or if I get a kite by chance. So I would like to get in the sky and I would fly a kite. So these are the things, man, that I have planned.
Huh. That's interesting. And do you watch movies on holidays or not? A lot of people like watching movies, right?
Ma'am, I'm afraid to say that I do not watch movies. I do not watch cricket matches. I do not play cricket matches. These days, I'm already busy with my own things. So I barely have time to do things for like entertaining myself.
Okay, okay, okay. That's very nice. So do you want us to talk about the topic, or do you want to have some general conversation or any topic of your choice? If you want, we can discuss that also.
Ma'am, we can go for anything. This video should be interesting, that if anyone watches this video, that person should learn something from this video. This is always my purpose. This is always my motto. So it is up
Okay,
to
okay.
you what is going to be better.
Okay, okay. So do you watch the video again? I'm recording it for you. Do you go and watch it again? from the starting?
Yes, ma'am. I usually do that because I also do one thing that whatever video session I have, so these videos always stay on Skype. So after the conversation, I check all the videos or wherever I make mistakes. So I make sure that I'm not going to make those mistakes again because no one is infallible. So this is what I try to do.
Amazing, amazing. So tell me, you watch all these conversations again. So tell me, what mistakes do you find in the way you talk? Some mistakes do you find?
Ma'am, yes, yes. That I also do a couple of mistakes. So before I talk about the mistakes, I would love to rephrase one of the idioms here. To err is human, forgive is divine. Or we can say that 2 to 3 mistakes are allowed in every field.
Yes. Yes.
So the mistakes I pick for myself are that I take a long pause and I usually repeat or reiterate the same sentences. This is the
Okay.
thing. Yes. Or last time I don't remember, but I do remember the video session that I had yesterday. So there I made a mistake with like 50 rupees, and with 50 rupees I used R. So I should have used is with 50 rupees because 50 rupees is countable.
Correct.
So this is
Yes.
what I did. Like this
Okay.
I remember. Hmm.
Okay, these are the minor mistakes. I'm not talking about the grammar mistake. I'm talking about the way you talk.
Ma'am, the way I talk, I am pretty impressed with that. So I never ever, I never ever find anything in that, and I am joyous. I am buoyant the way I speak. Even this is the uniqueness I have, the way I speak.
Yeah, even I feel the way you talk, it seems you are a very mature person and your speed is perfect. Okay, you don't speak very
Mhm.
fast, you don't talk very slow. It's balanced. That is the thing which I also like, and your pronunciation is very standard. So even that's a plus point.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Where do you live? Where are you living right now?
Ma'am, I do know about you. I think you are from Faridabad, but I am from Delhi.
I'm
Are you
also
from?
from Delhi. Yeah, 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 yeah.
My bad. Then okay. So I live at Jahangirpuri.
Oh. One of my friends also lives there. Yeah.
Okay.
Very busy
So
area, right? It's a busy area. Quite
yes,
busy.
it is. Yes, it is.
Okay, but in Delhi, all the areas are busy only, right? Wherever you go, you'll
Yes,
find people and people everywhere.
yes. Delhi is very congested. Like Delhi does not have much space. Like in Delhi, in one like we have 25 square yard home, and in this home, like it is not comfy to have everything in this room. We do have a kitchen, we do have a lavatory, and we have like we have managed things like this. So I guess all over the Delhi you are going to find homes like this.
Mhm. So, do you wish to settle in some other city in future or in some other country? Do you have such plans?
Ma'am, I really do not have any intention of leaving India for anything.
Mhm.
Second, I would love to relocate myself. I would like to change my place. I want to go to nearby area like Adarsh Nagar is the posh area that is nearby my home, and I would like to go to Model Town if you have heard of it. So
Yes.
these are the posh areas that if
Mhm.
I got a chance, or if I have the world at my feet, or if I become successful, so I would love to live in Adarsh Nagar or Model Town.
Mhm. But you can move to some other cities also, right? I don't think so. Like if you
Ma'am, I
get
don't,
rich.
I do not like other cities because when I was doing BTech, so I used to live in Chandigarh. So I did not like it very much. I have been to other states like I have been to Rajasthan. I stayed there almost for 5 or 6 days. I have been to Himachal Pradesh. I have been to Uttarakhand. I have been to
Mm-hmm.
Amritsar, so I have been to quite a few places, but I never find any place like Delhi. Delhi is very unique, and Delhi is very special to me.
Okay, why is it special for you? What do you like the most about Delhi? Because I have been living in Delhi for so many years, but I am not satisfied yet. I want to know from you.
Okay, I would certainly say good things about Delhi. So the first part and partial thing is that I was born in Delhi. So if you are born any specific place or any state, so you have a nexus with that state or that city wherever you are born in. So this is the first thing. Second, ma'am, I feel that the facilities Delhi has, no other cities have. So talking about facilities like government schools, private schools, or Delhi is one of the cities which have one of the renowned or one of the most famous hospital, that is AIMS. So we must not forget that we do have AIMS. If I talk about the mode of transportation, so ma'am, the heart of Delhi is in Delhi Metro these days.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah,
So
Delhi is
because of Delhi Metro,
Delhi's transport system is amazing. Be it bus or metro, everything is amazing. You'll find everything. Bus, metro, rickshaw, everything.
oh ma'am, you will be astonished to know that Delhi is one of the cities which is considered the most greenest city in the world.
I think
Delhi has
it's
more
on the number one in terms of transportation. Greenery wise, I don't think so. I am not
no,
aware.
it is. Yesterday one thing is for certain that, and I'm saying this for sure, that yesterday I was watching a news channel. So there it came to my knowledge. So Delhi is the most greenest city in the world.
In the
It is
world,
also the
okay.
most
Are you
polluted city.
serious?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah, it's
Yes,
polluted.
yes,
Yes.
I am. Because, ma'am,
Mhm.
we always listen to others. We do not have our own data. We do not have our own knowledge. If you have your own knowledge, so you can say that firmly. You can say that like vamptily or proudly. So
Mhm.
this is the thing. And ma'am, Delhi has,
Ah.
and if I talk about the college system, so I come from my home is nearby University of Delhi. So I always get a chance to go to like famous colleges, Miranda House, Kirodimal, or Hansraj. So these colleges are very near from my home. So this is the
Yes.
beauty of Delhi. Or there are many things that one day is not enough, I feel. And monuments are there, and
Yes.
the parliament is there, everything is there. And I feel Delhi police is there to look after us.
Yeah, I think we have everything in Delhi. Everything. Extreme weathers also
So
you'll
why don't you like
experience
Delhi?
everything. I because of the weather only I don't like. Because if it's summer then it's extremely hot and I get irritated. So weather wise I don't like Delhi.
But
Apart
ma'am, the
from that,
benefit is that, yes.
uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, apart from the weather conditions, everything I like education wise and good health facilities we have. Everything I like, just weather I don't like.
Mm. And one more thing, that how did you know that I'm going to wear black and again you are wearing the same?
Okay, last time also we were wearing the same kind of clothes. I mean the same color, right? Orange. I think
Mm-hmm.
mine was yellow
Yes.
and your was orange. Okay.
Okay. So in that
Black is
video,
my
it looks
favorite too.
similar. Mm-hmm.
Ah, yeah.
So I was asked that one thing was there, it slipped my mind. I was about to say something that, yes, I asked you that why don't you like it? Okay. So you said that you do not like it because of the climate or because of the weather of Delhi. But ma'am, one thing is that, and the predominant point is that if you can live in Delhi, if you can survive in Delhi, so wherever you go, whatever part of India you go to, you can manage there. You will not have any problems. You will not have any hassle there.
Ah, yeah, you're right. I can manage, but I think one thing you talked about Delhi is the most congested place. It's very congested. That thing I also don't
Mhm.
like. I like
Yes,
less
this
people. I like spacious, right? I think you
yes,
can
so do
relate.
I. Yes, ma'am, yes.
Yeah,
That's right.
yeah. That is the only thing. Apart from that, Delhi, I like. It's amazing. Everything I can get in Delhi. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. By the way, your background is in pink color. It's looking beautiful.
Okay, thank you. But
Oh,
I
what it
feel
is,
that
by
it
the
is
way?
not,
Uh-huh.
ma'am, it's a sort of wall.
Wall painting.
So this wall, yes, I don't know what it is. This is the gesture tester. What do we call that?
Okay.
It is a
Okay.
sort of wall painting.
Wall painting, right? It's looking beautiful. Black and pink are my favorite colors. Blue also I like. So yeah. I
All right,
see
thank
these colors. These colors make me happy actually.
you. Okay, yes, black. I guess, ma'am, black is very common, and whosoever wears black, that person himself or herself looks very nice. It
Yeah.
brings a bit uniqueness in you, and sometimes it glows, and something is very special for this color.
Yeah, yeah. This color shows rigidity, very rigid color. But
Hmm.
people don't like the skin tone. That's the only thing, right? Apart from that, everybody
Yes.
likes red color. Only the
Yes,
skin
yes,
tone
yes.
Indians don't like.
Yes, ma'am, I agree.
Yes. So I hope that this conversation was interesting because you were looking for something interesting. I hope it was interesting. I enjoyed absolutely.
Ma'am, I missed on it. What did you say? Can
Okay,
you
okay.
please repeat?
Okay, I was saying that I hope this conversation was interesting to you also because I absolutely enjoyed.
Yes, ma'am, it was fantastic. I did enjoy that.
Yes. So do you have any questions for me? You can ask,
No, ma'am,
otherwise
no,
we'll
no,
end the session. Okay, thank you so
no,
much for
ma'am.
joining in. Good night. Take care.
Okay, ma'am. Take care. Bye.